Hey beauties, I hope you're all having a great day. In today's video, we're gonna be whitening a teeth, believe it or not. Something a little bit different, but hey, why not, right? So I got this in a PR recently. So this is a Wise Beaconsfield, if I am pronouncing that correctly, teeth whitening kit, the DIY whitening kit. It apparently doesn't have any peroxide or anything like this. It's not supposed to be damaging your teeth. So this is how my teeth looks just now, so we can compare. I think my teeth are pretty white naturally. So we have a little instruction at the back. It looks like it's gonna be a trace, but we need to mold in a boiling water, brush your teeth and floss prior using that. My teeth are clean. Let's unpack and see what we have in here. Oh, okay, we got lots of things in here. Look at that. 6 whitening gels in here. Mouth trays. We got actually 4. Wow, surprise. I thought we were gonna have only 2. Yes, if we muck up something wrong. Then we have the light. Then we have like a teeth shade guide to see how white the teeth is just now, and then the progress. So let's just check actually. I think number 5 at the moment. Yeah, it kind of looks like number 5. What do you guys think? I have a mirror in front of me, so I'm looking at that. So I think 1 is very achievable. Alright, so got boiling water here. Let's unpack this. Kind of scared I'm gonna muck up. That's why they gave me spare ones. Okay, 5 seconds in the boiling water. I think kinda worked. We have now a mold on my teeth. Alright, my camera's battery is dying, so I'll try to do this as fast as I can and then charge while I have this in for 20 minutes, how long we say to have, and then hopefully we can film the rest. Yeah, 15-20 minutes. So what they say is to squeeze 75 cc, I don't know what it is, or less per tray. cc, what does the cc stand for? I don't know. We're gonna improvise. Okay, so they say first to trim this part that was holding off. See what I did? Is that enough? Is that too much? I don't know. Help out. That should do, I guess. Cover this mold. I don't think we need more because we'll be far too much. Okay, let's just try this. And I'm gonna do bottom the same. And then I'm gonna straight away insert, because when I have this, I'm pretty sure I can't speak. So straight away I'm gonna insert this and keep for 15 to 20 minutes. I'm gonna have 20 minutes because my camera is saying I need to charge it. Okay, I'm gonna do the same here. I don't wanna put too much because we say to not put too much, because it shouldn't go on your gums because it might irritate your gums apparently. But basically it's like a half. It's supposed to be like this. I don't know. I'm not the pro. Improvising. Okay, let's put the top in. Guys ready? Okay. I think I have clock because it's going to go. Oh yeah. Oh, okay. I needed to go to the bathroom quickly to spit it all out because I had like, you know, saliva, because you holding like this. It's like kind of, you know what I mean, guys. Oh, plus side of it. This actually tastes very minty. There's no unpleasant taste or anything like that, if that makes any sense. I'm like surprised. I thought it's gonna be like disgusting, some kind of, I don't know, taste. But it tastes a bit like a toothpaste. It's like very minty. There's no disgusting aftertaste or anything. Alright, when we started, we checked on this little teeth shade card and my teeth look like number 5-ish. Let's see after 1 use if my teeth looks any better. I think it looks better because I have mirror in front of me. I'm like, it does look better. Oh my god. Okay, let's see. We were number 5 before. think we're number 3 now. I think it's more like 3. Wow, 2 shades in one go. Like, look. I think we're at this. What do you think? Hello, thumbs up for me. I'm super surprised. So I have still all of this left. So I used literally half tube in one go. I didn't know if I was using too much, or all they say is not to cover, like not to touch gums. And I think I had too much already. So I need to use slightly bit less. So basically half, because I used a little bit more than half in one. So we have 6 in total, so 12 days. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use this like religiously for 12 days. And I'll come back to use. But so far, oh my god, you guys, humongous thumbs up from me. Like, I literally wasn't expecting the outcome. So I'm gonna use it every day, and then I'll come back to use with a result. But so far, oh my god, 100% recommend. So we'll see the final results soon. Hey guys, I'm back. So I've been using this White Beaconsfield Home Teeth Whitening Kit for I don't know how many days because I lost the count. But basically I used up all of these. I didn't keep all because just, you know, by the end I was like, oh, I should keep it to show that I use all. I forgot that, obviously. What I can say so far, my teeth definitely got whiter. You guys been asking actually, because I posted Instagram stories of me using this kit and all, and you guys been asking how good it is and if it has, you know, peroxide in or bleach or something like that. For sure we don't use any peroxide or bleach or anything like this. Therefore teeth is not sensitive, because you guys been asking me on my Instagram if my teeth got super sensitive after using this or anything like that. Nothing, no side effects. Actually it tastes even nice. It tastes kind of minty, so it's not like super irritating while you're waiting for, you know, it to whiten your teeth or anything. It's, yeah, definitely doesn't make your teeth sensitive or anything like this. It doesn't damage your teeth. It doesn't taste disgusting, tastes minty. So humongous thumbs up for that. My teeth looks whiter, but I haven't checked this because I wanted to surprise myself, you know, with you together. So when we checked last time, I think my teeth was 5. I don't remember, but you guys just seen in the beginning of the video, so you know better. And then I think after first use, my teeth moved to number 3. Let's just check how my teeth look now. So before I had 5, it's definitely whiter now. Yeah, I think my teeth sitting between 3 and 2. It didn't go whiter for some reason. It looks like my teeth got whitest after first use, but saying that, I do look after my teeth a lot. So my teeth are looking whiter than I think average person will have. I don't want to sound rude or anything, but I do look after my teeth. So maybe that's why it just removed like a top layer of the stains from the coffees and teas that I drink, because I drink a lot of coffee and a lot of tea, and it can't go whiter than 2. I wish it would look like 1, but it would look probably like a veneers or super bleached teeth. Something between 2 and 3 is pretty good deal. What do you guys think? Yeah, happy with the result. Definitely recommend go get yourself a whitening kit like this, because it doesn't damage your teeth and it doesn't have any peroxide. It's really nice and refreshing actually, and does the job, which is the most important. So I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If so, please don't forget to press that thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more, leave a comment down below and let me know what you think, and if this video was helpful and or what I should review in my next video. And I shall see you very soon. So thank you so much for watching, and bye. Have an amazing day guys. Ciao.